Okay, this should be good to go, I believe. Okay, are we live is the real question. I have no clue if I'm live or not. This should be interesting. Let's... apparently I'm live, but I don't know if I am. Absolutely wonderful. Right. Got monitor... I don't know what I'm doing. This should be fun. Let's just check quickly if I am live. How do we do this? It's very interesting. Okay, okay. Okay, we're live apparently. We're live, boys. Right, that's beautiful. Okay, now that I know I'm live, I'm a professional. So let's go play some chess, talk about Dogecoin, or all of that amazing jazz, I guess. Where is my chess game? And no one's typing in the chat. Oh my god, we've got a hi. Yo, dude, what's up? Hey. Yo, like button. Right, boys, we're playing some amazing chess. If anyone, wants to play a game, I'm down to give you a game. And if you have any questions about Dogecoin, we can set that up. So let's hit a new game and let's go do this, play some chess. All right, hey, when? When is what, boys? When Dogecoin? Hey, we've got a chat. Oh my god, welcome, bro. Oh my god, everyone's giving me much love. Oh my god, we've got a 2-minute timer. Okay, wait. Alright, put your questions down. I'll get back because we're playing bullet chess right now as well. So it just makes my life harder. It's 3-minute games. So it's pretty fun. Hey, boys. Hey, Sammy, what's going on? Okay, this person just went here. We're going to bait him with the pawn. So if he takes this here, we're going to send him to the moon with Dogecoin. Except, his horse is gone. Doge over the horse. You see what I'm saying? It's all good. When will Dodge hit 100? Well, it depends when I become a GM in chess. That's the main thing. How do you know when it will hit $1? Well, it based off its market cap, basically, if we go off the fact that if Bitcoin... Oh, wait, 1 second. Oh my god, this guy did a really good play. He's trying to bait me here, so we're just going to play the castle here. Basically, if you go off the market cap with Bitcoin, if everyone, like a lot of people think that Bitcoin can, oh my god, we're getting annihilated. It's so hard to multitask. But basically, if Bitcoin can hit 1 million, that means Dogecoin would hypothetically, we just made the worst move. This is so much harder than like people actually think live streaming. I've never done this before, by the way. Do you think it'll hit? I don't think it'll hit $100. I think it can hit 1 or maybe 2. Like two's a stretch. Two's like a really big stretch in my opinion, anyway. But one is possible. This guy's baiting me here. We're just gonna sacrifice the queens. We've been like dominated, boys. It's not good. It's not. This game's gone terribly. I thought like streaming would be easier than expected, but apparently not. When will it hit $1? It just depends on mass adoption, and when Bitcoin hypothetically hits like 100,000 to 1 million is when the market cap would also be high enough. But I think 10 cents is the main goal we should be going for realistically. That's what I think anyway, like in my opinion. Is it my turn? Oh my god, it's my turn. This ain't good. Also, does anyone want to play a game of chess? If anyone wants to play some chess, we are good. What's going on here? Well, Alex, I'm talking about Dogecoin and also playing chess. Thought it'd be a bit different because I know everyone else on like YouTube just has like the iPad in the corner and stuff like that. No shots fired there, boys. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what it is what it is. A lot of people are just like, oh my god, we got an iPad. But I thought we'd be a bit more interactive and have it going on. When Dogecoin hits $1, I'm gonna make another baby. Well, fair enough, bro. Fair enough. Yeah, how about you name it like Doge or something? That would be then you can send like that picture or something in the chat. Maybe actually not. That's probably not the best idea because this chat will probably roast you. But it's all good, boys and girls. Okay, this is oh my god, he misplayed here. See, we're gonna put the castle here. If he takes this, we've got the queen. He misplayed here really badly actually, because now he has to make the thing the choice of if his queen goes here. He's in check. See, he can't take this, and then we take this. Then he's in check here, so then he has to move, and then we can move back. Then we can actually take the queen here, which is really good. Is Bittron trusted exchange? I know about what's called Unicoin and Pancake Swap is really good, in my opinion. Yeah, this guy misplayed really bad in chess, by the way, though. Oh wow. Well, he can't take me, so we're just gonna take that queen here. It's a 3-minute game, by the way. So I just thought I'd let everyone know that. We've managed to make a comeback, though, somehow. This guy's made a lot of misplays. Love your videos so much. Respect. Yo, that's my guy. You thought on HODL Dodge or the DeFi with Dodge? Let me think about that. You thought on... I think DeFi is good for Doge overall. DeFi is really good. Good staking. Do you know what the thing is about staking though? Is like if the price drops, you do kind of lose a lot of money, and people forget about wait one second, I need to actually make a move here because my time's running out. I'm sorry, I'm trying my best. The main thing people forget about staking is just the fact that obviously it's locked up, so if the price crashes again like it did a couple years ago with every single cryptocurrency, you can get like really badly punished, which is not good. Also, we're gonna lose this game, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm like, there's nothing I can really do. Like, we've just been I've been answering questions and not focusing, but hopefully the chess keeps people entertained. Oh my god, yeah, we've been done. But let's resign this. Let's resign the game. Let's resign the game. Okay, yeah, look at that. My 470 rating. It's not good. Let's play a new one. Also, okay. Oh yeah, but this is good. Does anyone play chess in the chat? Type that. Does anyone play chess in the chat? That's what I want to know. That's the real questions. Never mind if Dogecoin's hitting $1. Does anyone play chess? Because I'm just like, I've always thought about it. Like, does the crypto community also play like strategy games, or are they like not into that type of stuff? But I feel like a lot of my friends who like were into crypto and everything back in the day, who played WoW, are really into it. So HODL is not worth to buy. I haven't done research into it. I can do that in another video though, like add a comparison and everything. I'm actually going to do a comparison on my next video of ADA hitting $10 or Dogecoin hitting $1, sorry. This misplay. We can go here. This is fine, because if he takes, this takes here. Does anyone play chess? That's all I want to know. Alex knows how to play chess. That's my... Alex, do you want a game? Chess.com. Do you want a game? That is the real question. I'll probably lose because it's actually so much harder, like answering questions in the chat. You don't play much. It's okay, man. I don't really play that much. I used to play quite a bit when I was younger. My cousin's actually a grandmaster, so I guess that's good. Also, is the audio good? Or am I too quiet? Or whatever. I don't know if I'm too quiet or not. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I don't know. Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, with the HODL thing. Okay, yeah, I can do that. That's doable. This guy's put us in a really bad weakening position here. We need to move here to block the castles in. That would be good, yeah. Also, I don't even know how I check how many viewers I've got. Does anyone know how I do that? Like, current... Oh, wow. We're at 54 viewers, apparently. That's amazing. Wow. If you're... Why is the chat so slow? What's going on? 54 viewers. I feel like it's a lot of viewers. Is that not a lot of viewers? Oh my god, my time is going low. That's not good. His queen's probably going to take my knight here also, which isn't good. Currently the games we're playing, by the way, is lightning chess, so it's 3-minute games. So sometimes it can be like quite slow. If anyone has any questions about anything though, 46. 46. What is 46? 46 viewers. Oh, my life's not good, boys. We're not famous anymore. But it's okay, because Dogecoin's going to hit $1. Everyone's going to be happy. It's going to be amazing. And we're just here playing some chess. And yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's amazing, really. Actually, if anyone wants to play, or does anyone want to play like another game or something, or have any questions, we can do that. I think at the end of this game, we're actually going to go back into the market cap and talk about like Dogecoin and stuff on like the crash, that everything that happened years ago. And that's why I don't like staking. Also, this is a really good knight play here. We're threatening the queen, threatening the knight, and then if he takes with the knight, then we take the pawn. Yep, see, he doesn't. And then we actually have him in check, which is a really strong play. This is good. We're making them plays, boys. Also, Pepsi is really good. Oh, yo, Ravi, what's up, my guy? We're playing chess. If everyone doesn't know, Ravi is an absolute legend, by the way. Check out his videos and Dogecoin and stuff if you want. Yeah, it's your boy, boys. Ravi, we're currently playing chess. If you would like a game, hit me up. We can play. Currently, this guy's trying to bait me, though, which isn't the nicest thing. So we're just going to go here. And we'll have the pawn protected. Shout out, man, you're literally, I'm talking about you. I don't even know how many viewers I've got. I'm just like playing chess and people are like, oh my god, it's chess. I think people are used to like Final Stands content of like him with the iPad though. I don't know. Yeah, maybe they're like hyped over like, oh, the iPad, and it's just an iPad. It's not chess, is it? You know what I'm saying? Everyone loves a bit of chess. Everyone loves chess, I think. I don't know. I don't know if I'm a nerd or not. Like, then again, we're in the crypto and stock space, so if you're not a nerd, like, What are you doing? We're also going to move this back. He's going to time out. He's at 1 minute, by the way, everyone, which is really good. 1 minute timeout, which is absolutely amazing. Thanks. Oh, sorry. It's my cousin. That's my cousin's name. Sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. That's actually like my actual cousin's name, which is. I'm so sorry. Where are we going here? I think we. Oh, see, the problem we have here is he's gonna. I think we threaten his horse. I'm down to play. Chess.com is what I'm playing on. I'm down to play. Oh no, I didn't mean to move that. Oh no, I'm so sad. Oh, I'm actually so sad. I didn't mean to move that. Oh, it's not good, boys. It's not good, boys or girls. Oh, that's really, really bad. I think we just have to move here and... do we do the same move? I think we just go here. Probably had a... yeah. If anyone wants to play, though, let me know in the chat and we can get that sorted. I think this guy's going to time out. He's got 20 seconds left and I've got 42, so there's always that to consider. We're just going to move here, put him into check, because he's got 15 seconds now, which is really cool. He's moving, being defensive. That's fine. Oh, well, I just misplayed again. I keep looking at the chat and I keep misplaying, which is terrible. It's not what we want to be doing. He's got 12 seconds though, so I don't think he can checkmate me. So we're just gonna move quickly to make him time out. I think is the plan here, because he's got 9 seconds to try and win. And I don't think he can get a checkmate in that time. He shouldn't be able to, at least. Oh my god, I'm at 19, he's at 10. Yeah, he's just going to time out, which is good. Oh, okay, that's not good. We'll just go here. He's got 2 seconds left. We can go here. We can go there. So unless he somehow pulls a miracle off, we win. Oh, look at that, boys. We won. Oh, we beat a female, though. So whatever you guys think about that one, that's what we achieved there. We managed to beat a female. So that is that, I guess, ladies and gentlemen. Does anyone want to look at the charts? Should I look at the charts? Does anyone want to look at the charts? Or do you want me to play a new game of chess? Let me know. Which I'm on the website. What you need. My name's just Brian TFT. So if you want to play RV, we can get that sorted. Let me see how we get this sorted out. I'm new to using like OBS too. To play a friend. Let's give this a go. Play a friend. Oh no, I don't. I just want to play a friend. How do I play a friend? Play a friend. Here we go. No, I want to invite a friend. No, Ravi, I think you're gonna have to invite me, mate. This ain't going well for me at all. Oh, friend link. Here we go, boys. We're putting this in the chat. If anyone wants to play, let's give this a go. Just copy and paste that. We'll be in the chat and we'll be all good. So let's see what's going on there. If anyone wants to challenge me, I think that was like send to invite a friend. Yeah, did anyone get that? Does anyone? Ravi, you got that? We're gonna have a bit of Pepsi Maps now. So sorry if this is a bit gross. But yeah, we're doing good. Audio's good. Chat's good. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to keep playing chess? Do you want me to, I don't know, AFK? I don't even know what to do. Chess? Everyone likes a bit of chess. Right, we're going to play chess. Let's play chess, boys. Oh, that's not good. Alright, let's play chess. I made four mistakes. You can't see that, but I made 4 mistakes, which isn't great. A rematch? I'm not rematching you. That was a close game. I'm going to lose my 500 rating. No thank you, my friend. No thank you. Boys, what's going on with the chat heads? No one's talking anymore. What's going on there? Not good at all. Not good at all. Chess player has disconnected and the game will resign. You're resigning? What do you mean? What do you mean you're resigning? That's not very good. I think that's. Are you back? Oh, we're gonna. We'll resign. We've got, think like 5 people watching, so we're gonna put some leverage on that. You know what I mean? So let's do that. Let's do that. Concurrent viewers. Okay, 1 minute in. I can talk. What do you mean? You can talk. I'm so confused. I don't know. No. I make no money. I'm broke. Apparently, I'm very broke. I play chess for a living. It's dude, it's called chess.com. It's literally just called chess.com. Yeah, I play chess for a living now. That's how well the channel's going. I stream chess live. That's what I do. I stream live. I live stream chess. Oh yo, what's up, Ryan? To the moon, boys. To the moon. Should I get like an emblem? My girlfriend actually said that I should like make a like super chat. Yeah, I'll add you at the end of this game. I'll send you the link. It is at the top though. Just register there and like add your account so we can play and stuff. My girlfriend was saying actually though that we should I should have like a tag or something like all the other famous people, and I was like, I'm gonna get like 5 viewers. So you know, it's not the best thing to do, is it, if we're not having a big audience to do it. But let me know if you want like a Dogecoin like rocket next to your name or something. Goes down, all I do is lose money on the top. Oh dude, what did you get in at, Josh? What did you get in at would be my question to you, because I got in like 6 months ago, before like the 100% to the to the moon, boys. That's what we're saying, to the moon. Yeah, I got in like 6 months ago. It's actually a really funny story. The way it happened was me and my friend were like memeing around, and we just put like some money in for like fun, really, just because we thought it'd be funny. And then like after that month, like everything just exploded, pretty much. There's got to be a better looking chess game out there than this one. Oh no, I think there is actually better looking chess games than this one. This one just doesn't lag, and this one, believe it or not, this game we're currently on a 3-minute timer, which is why like I like it, because it's like timed. I don't really like slow chess games. It'd probably make more sense for me to play a slow chess game though right now. Oh my god, I just made the worst mistake ever. My queen's dead. Yep, that's dead. Not good. I get one at a time. I get out usually at the wrong times. If you see, my thing is with oh, this isn't good. My thing is with Dogecoin and everything is like, I think you should just kind of hold it in like my opinion, just because with all the contracts and everything. Yo, what's up, dude? Hi TV. Viz TV. I think it's like better just to hold it, as long as it's not like large amount, because it's like more of like a fun cryptocurrency than anything, in my opinion. Like if you want like a really good strong series, so I'd say probably Cardano. Uniswap's really good too. They're really strong ones. Or PancakeSwap too. I'd say those ones are probably the best ones to get into. If you want like really like for the ecosystems and everything to be really strong. Polkadot's also fairly decent. But Dogecoin is, the thing that Dogecoin has about it is the mass adoption, with like everything happening right now with all the basketball teams, the ice hockey teams talking about all the billboards, Elon Musk, like it just has a lot of celebrity support, and it's like one of those weird things where like at the end of the day where like money was used as a transaction for everything that we use now. Like for example, like when we pay for, I don't know, chewing gum or something, like we use money. Like originally, like people used to trade with shells and things like that. So if you think of it like that, it's a lot easier to kind of think about like some things might be the best things to use, but it doesn't mean they will actually be used. And that's kind of like my opinion about like Dogecoin is like it might not be the best crypto out there, but it's the cryptocurrency that could take over just due to the fact of like, what's it called, like the mass adoption of everyone using it. Because it's like you could have something that's the best thing in the world, it could have 0 fees, like you could like hypothetically it could be deflating value, so like obviously like less crypto, like money keeps going down every single year, but then the fact is if no one uses it, it doesn't matter, type of thing, which is really weird. Now I gotta report all these trades to IRS. What a nightmare. Yeah, it's not good. I don't know how much you're talking though. If you're talking big, I think in the US you can, at least with stocks, you can get £3,000 back off deductibles. If you didn't know that, You probably do, but I'm just you can do that if you're in America, and you can get some off England too. I don't know the exact amount though. I've got 30 seconds left, which isn't great. I invested a little over 3k and lost more than half of that now. Yeah, you can if you're I believe, I don't know if you're self-employed, I believe you can claim that 1.5k back, like deductibles off your taxes, I believe, if you're in the US. I believe. I don't know if it's business or self-employed from the top of my head though. I do know we're getting destroyed at chess though. But I believe, yeah, you can claim that 1.5 cop is the username. Yeah, bro. I'll add you at the end of this game, and you can wreck me, and it'll be fun. Oh, I keep. You know what's the most embarrassing thing about this is we've lost every chess game while I'm live, which is like so bad. But it's hard to look at the chat. Oh, we're gonna time out. Okay, let's go to a new game. All right, let's add a friend. Play a friend. Okay, find a friend. Invite a friend. Okay, dude. All right, I'm gonna add you. I'm not self-employed. Oh, okay. I think you can still put it in your forms. It's something to look into, though. It's something like I'd look into that because I believe but I believe you can still claim it back as what's it called? I think so. Because trading's classed separately under the tax forms. Let's play. Come on then, dude. Let's play our famous person in the chat, boys. Let's give him a game. Let's give our famous person in the chat a game. Okay, bro. Oh, he's 800 rating. This isn't a good start for us. Okay, let's go. Chat, we've got to prove that I'm worthy of being in a situation with my 5 viewers right now. So let's do this. Okay, he's bought the castle here. Yeah, Josh, I think you can though. I think you can still class it. I think you can get 1.5k back. Dude, you've disconnected. What's going on here? Yo, boys, he's disconnected. That's not very good, is it? He's disconnected us. This is not. The stream current bitrate is lower than the recommended. Open. Well, I don't even know what's going on. Stream settings. Okay, we'll go here. Oh, is this stream okay? Apparently it's saying it's not like good enough quality or something. I don't even know. I don't know if it's good enough quality or not. I will castle here. I'd look into that though. 100%. Something I would definitely look into. Like 1,000%, because like 1.5k is still 1.5k is the way I would look at it. I think we've lost a viewer because he's not like, I don't know if he's in the game or not anymore, which isn't great. Oh no, he's still here. We're currently playing for the left hand side of the board, which is really interesting. Like the battle is about to commence because now he has 1-2 player battles. I don't have 2 player battles, so we should lose this, but we've got the positional advantage, which is also interesting. Because see, now he has a castle to take center, but we do have our castle here in the middle. Yeah, see, this is always going to happen. However, what we can play here is we can do the bishop. He's actually watching the live stream, so I don't know why I'm saying this, but hypothetically now we go here, and then he actually can't take this, so we've blocked him in. You'll see this here. So now he has to basically make a choice of if he can't do this, so he has to take that, and then we take the queen. So that's good for us. And our queen's really protected. Not our queen, our king's really protected. Let me guys know if the stream's okay. Jess, if you're in the chat, let me know if the stream's okay, because it's saying on my end that apparently we're lagging or something. I don't know what's going on. I'm just got 5 viewers, so yeah, it is what it is. 5 viewers are 5 viewers. Here we go, boys. Yeah, see, now I'm fighting for dominance in the middle, because if you didn't know, in chess you want to be fighting for basically like the left hand corner to develop the middle game, or you want to be in the middle at the start. That's kind of what you want to be doing. If you guys want me to do like a chart analysis, I can do that, by the way, as well. I'm just playing chess for the sake of it. I hear you fine. Is the stream okay, Josh? Stream is chill for me. Ah, look, boys, it's my girlfriend. Subscribe to her. You can give her chaos, and she'll love it. She'll be like, "Wow, 5 subscribers." Yeah, bro. Yeah, Gabby, Doge to the moon. That's what I'm saying. Gibby, even. Oh my god, not good. He's trying to. We've got to threaten the castle here. And now he's probably going to take this. That makes the best sense for him. Yep. Now we can basically we can put him in a bait position now because he takes this for free again. But it's okay because we're baiting that. That's fine. And then he goes here. We'll bait this here. So now he should probably move, or he can move down or whatever. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Block this in so this can't move unless he takes. And then if he takes, we kill. Yeah, stream has no issues. My end. Okay, if stream's all good, stream's all good. Stream's all good, stream's all good. How much do I have? Like 1.1, I think 1.1 something like that. But I got in like 9 months ago before like the massive surge happened. So do keep that in consideration. But like before it was like 0.0. I won. Yeah, he timed out. Do you want a rematch, dude? Rematch? I'm down to rematch you. I got in when it was like, I believe like 20x less the price it is now. So do keep that in consideration for when I bought in. It's like really cheap. Really, really cheap. It's like that funny thing of like the best performing stocks and assets of cryptocurrency this year is like, I actually put it in a community post recently. It's like, you know, we've got the cinema that's bankrupt. We've got GameStop that's also like basically bankrupt, and they can't sell because of the SEC. It's against the law to actually for them to sell to basically get themselves out of bankruptcy. And then you've got Dogecoin, the meme cryptocurrency, which is actually, I disagree with it being a bit of a meme. Because they have joined like the Ethereum smart contract thing for the DeFi, which is really good. Oh, it's my move. Okay, I'll just take center. That's fine. Actually, yeah, everyone, if you're in here, how much Doge has everyone got? Or do you guys just like listening to me like talk about everything? It's a whole, but I was greedy, I guess. Yeah, it's a long-term play. I think like most cryptos are, to be honest. Like you got to be holding. Oh, he baited me. You got to be holding or believe in the projects and stuff in the long term, because when it sounds really weird, but when Dogecoin hit its peak, like almost 10 cents, it didn't actually have as much awareness as it does now. So that's another thing. Like the Reddit, for example, is like booming. So you've got to think of things like that sometimes. Like even with stocks, when like a stock goes down, for example, but it gets like a big deal or like something good happens, it doesn't mean they've done bad. You know, I have 17,000. Exploit has 17,000. So if we hit $1, bro, what's your plan? What's your plan when we hit $1? $1 or £1, depending where you're from. Let's go hit with the knight. We're actually losing badly. He's actually crushing us with the time, so we need to think a bit faster, everyone. I can't be I guess after losing, I have somewhere between. I would hold. And what price did you get in? If you don't mind putting that in the chat. Because it does depend on that too. Like the pricing you get into is quite important. Because I got in really low. I sometimes buy the dip a little bit though, like not too much, just a little bit. There's actually a friend of mine who holds I think 2 million Doge, and he also got into Ethereum when it was $20. So that's really cool. Coins, yeah. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. I think I would hold as long as like you're comfortable with like having that much money like laid up in like a asset and everything. I just hold it for a while because the alt run hasn't even hit yet. That's something else people aren't considering. Like it's still Bitcoin season. Originally, oh no, that's not that bad actually. 0.9 originally. So what? Okay, what did you? Yeah, it's not altcoin season yet though. It's still Bitcoin's crushing the game. That's the other thing with like Cardano and Chain Games did really well recently. I was actually gonna make a video a day before and then it blew up, so I couldn't make the video, which sucked really. But yeah, that was the plan though. was to make the video, and then it just blew up overnight, which isn't the best thing in the world. We're the same with timers right now. Boom. He should take this here. I don't mind holding now. Yeah, as long as it's not money, you don't need like ASAP or anything. It's always good to hold, I think, anyway. Like if you're going to buy something and you're thinking like if it's a long-term hold, you have to, probably would sell at 0.9. I bought yesterday again and bought back in December, and I saw it went up a little bit because I didn't hit 0.1. Yeah, that's another thing. People have the strategy of like, if it hits 0.9, it's all crashing. Yeah, sometimes crypto does that. It goes in waves. But you've got to think in the last, like, you've got to look at things like patterns. So for the last 30 days, we've been doing really well, and it's still Bitcoin season. So do consider that. It's still, like, Bitcoin is still crushing the game right now. And if Bitcoin's crushing, it normally means, like, it's not alt season yet. And when alt season happens, like last time alt season happened, like altcoins outperform Bitcoin. That's something a lot of people are forgetting too. Because really, Bitcoin doesn't hold any value. That's another thing that a lot of my me and my friends talk about sometimes. Is like Bitcoin, hypothetically, like people compare it to gold. Like you guys can actually like answer if you disagree with me here, but this is just like our opinion and our thesis, I guess. Like we came up with is like Bitcoin's like gold. Apart from like Bitcoin doesn't actually have any practical use. There's like gold, for example, you have like wedding rings, and it's used as a raw material for a lot of different things. As Bitcoin can't be used yet for like anything really, and it's not like it's just not really that good of a system to be used. The only thing it has for it is it's like the #1 coin, and obviously its cap is very, very low. But I was thinking maybe with the whole NFT things currently like booming, that industry booming, that maybe it might be when other seasons. The seasons are just depends. So like normally, like if I'll go to charts actually, and I'll try and explain it to you the best I can. It's quite complicated, but I'll try and do my best. But the seasons are very important. It's basically like when Bitcoin hit like from $1,000 to 10,000, and then it dropped back down to like 2 or 3. And then the altcoins kicked, like basically took off all at once. It's really interesting. At the end of this chess game, I'll explain that to you guys. I don't even know how long I've been streaming for. Does anyone know? Does anyone know? I'm gonna check you here. Does anyone know how long I've been streaming for? That is the real question. Also, mate, you're about to time out, so it sucks to be you. You're winning too. You got the queen, the castle. I got the queen in the castle. I have more pawns though. Actually, I think I was winning. Yeah. Do you want to play again? Or do you want to peace out, Girl Scout? I can get the charts. Oh god, it's gonna look really bad when I get the charts up. I've been 35 minutes, right? I'm a professional. Oh my god, right, this is gonna be so weird to explain, right? I've gotta like look at both of these. Alright, we're gonna have to make the chat smaller for a second. I'm gonna go here. I don't know if this is working live, if I'm moving. Okay, but this is like, wait. Is this good? Tell me in the chat if this is good. Like, can you see the numbers okay? Is that fine? Oh, yeah, just let me explain this to this person. 30 minutes, okay. So this is all-time highs of Bitcoin going from 2013. Okay, yeah. Hopefully you're in the chat. Doge is crashing, currently down $50. It's okay. So basically the seasons are, if you look at like Bitcoin here back when it was like $100, this would be like the first season of when it basically peaked at like 900. But then if you look, it crashed again. But if you look at the original, like basically from here to here, it essentially doubled in value. So what normally happens is even here, if you look here, 18,000, and then it crashes pretty much like roughly like 50% to 30%. And this is what a lot of people are thinking is going to happen. And this is what the seasons essentially mean with the whole season thing is when Bitcoin basically goes up like a really high percentage, like it has done, like 500% or whatever. Normally what happens is it will crash like down from this number, like the 500, like 30 to like 40%. And then that would be its like new, like basically base high doing good and stuff. But then if we look at other coins, so a good other example, I'm trying to think of another good example. If we look at Uniswap, is a good example to see. And Doge is a bit of a different one, just because obviously it's like had this massive hype. But if we look at Uniswap, for example, too, you can see here it reached all-time highs, really similar to the same size, same time that Bitcoin did, pretty much, and then it crashed back down. But what's called Uniswap actually crashed below this point, and then alt season obviously happened, and over time it's slowly gone up, which you can see here, which is really, really good. And this was obviously like now recently. God, well, Uniswap had a massive pump, which is like really interesting with the cryptos. And that's what basically alt seasons and seasons, like you can see Dogecoin's like crashed. Well, it's not crashed because like you got to think like 90 days, this has gone up 1,600%, which is 160 years in an index fund. So you've got to keep that in mind. And we've gone from here from 2013, like basically nothing. Like even here 0.02. And I got in like, where did I get into? It was like here, really. I got in here 2019, and then I believe I actually bought more like here. But yeah, this is like the whole alt season. So you can see even here, like this is the really good example. You can see all the coins from 2013 had this massive spike up from like basically 13 to 14. This was basically where like a Bitcoin was done like with its season, and then it did like really good, and then obviously it came crashing down because like the whole crypto spectrum just like died out and no one really believed in it. And then here again is the other example of when Bitcoin probably stopped doing well, and then all the alts start doing well because everyone wants to start putting more money in the altcoins rather than having it in Bitcoin, which is like the main cryptocurrency. I hope that explains it really. So basically, when Bitcoin's doing well, more people put more money into Bitcoin, which pumps the price higher. And then while that's going like not doing so well, people will start putting more money into other cryptos because they'll be like, okay, more people are obviously putting more money into that, so it's more likely to pump higher. Hopefully that makes sense. I hope that does. Hopefully that makes sense to everyone. I know that was a really bad like analogy and explaining it. Like I should probably make a video explaining it. There's probably a lot of them. If after the stream, I'm only gonna stream for like maybe like an hour and a half or something. I'll make a video explaining it. Let's rematch, bro. Or female. If you're here still, I'm down to rematch you. And we can it's time to duel, as they say. Maybe how long should I stream for? Like, do you think I should stream often, or do you think I'm really bad at this? Also, what is going on here? We need to pump this chat back up. Boom. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Okay, cool. I'm not sure dog graph is almost the same as Bitcoin. Yeah. It's not almost the same as Bitcoin. Why would you argue that it's almost the same? Steven, I'd disagree with you. Yeah, no one knows. No one knows what's with any cryptocurrency. Even stocks, you could argue no one knows. The only thing you can like say is the fact that mass adoption is happening more, and the fact that you can argue that if more people are using it, the more likelihood it's going to go up. Because like we used to use seashells, for example, like really long time ago. Because like if people could predict the market, people would just buy in and like make loads of money. Like no one does that. Like there's swing traders and day traders, but you don't see them making 300% every day. No one knows the market. I did say it before, but I don't think you probably heard. But it's like, how do I explain it? It's like if you knew the movements perfectly, you would just like do great. Yes, it just put the two next to each other. I'll put the two next to each other at the end of the game if you want me to. Oh, I don't know. It's gonna happen. Plus is a plus. Yeah, thanks for the experience, bro. I've been watching you for about a month now, and you're awesome. Hopefully, March hits good. Hopefully, like the thing is with crypto, any big news can really push it. Like even like if like I know Elon and everything currently because Tesla's public, but I think maybe he might put SpaceX into some Dogecoin. Like even a little bit. Like even if it's like 0.1%, you've got to consider that's a lot of money. Thanks, Jess, for letting me know. You should have a brave brawler, brother. I give you all. Yeah. Wait, what did you say? You should have a Brave browser, brother. I'll give you all the token tips. I don't know. I don't even know like how like the tipping thing works with the live stream. I just thought it'd be fun to do it. I don't even like, to be honest, I don't even know. I just thought it'd be like cool to talk to some people. I don't even think people can like tip me or whatever it's called. I think I have to apply for something. I'm not 100% sure though. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I'm really interested to see the Bitcoin and Dogecoin chart there, like Steven said. Because if the problem is, if we're going off that, that means Dogecoin shouldn't have gone up as much as it has. So that's why I'm a bit confused on why he thinks that. In my opinion, anyway. But I can't argue unless I see the charts, like he said. I mean, hope it goes up after. Yeah. 100,000. I have over 100,000. Yeah. The thing is that, like, a lot of people don't understand with Dogecoin is like some people say like, oh, I can hit $100 and stuff. I don't think that, because that market cap would mean it's like, I think it'd be like $12 trillion, which is just like so unrealistic, and that just doesn't make sense. Like the market cap's like a little bit more than gold. That just wouldn't happen. That I don't think that's realistic. But I think $1 or like even like 0.8, like 1.8 is reasonable. Like those price charts are very like gonna, like, I think can happen logically as like long as Bitcoin price keeps rising. Or like, you know, it doesn't even have to be Bitcoin. Yeah, I bought in. Yeah, that's a really good start price. What year did you buy in, or like what month, if you don't mind me asking? Because the chart, I can't see the chart right now. That'd be cool too to see. Top chart. I don't even know what this is. Some messages are here. All messages are visible. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to work out why he thinks the Dogecoin and Bitcoin map's the same. It's got me very puzzled, to be honest. Who said it? Steven. Yeah, Steven, do you mean in terms of percentages or do you mean in terms of movement? Because it can't be percentages. There's no way. The charts might look like similar in like if you zoom out, but if you zoom in, I don't think they would. Or they shouldn't. I don't know. If you have though, that's a good video idea for me. So thank you. I think April 20. Yeah, you bought in such a good time. You bought in you should look into 100% free mile. Or March, yeah. You should into 100% free mana gone. Yeah. Every time I buy it goes down. I would movement. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think the movement actually, yeah, okay, I agree with you. Yeah, percentages there's no way, but I believe movement it is actually. Oh my god, I'm timing out. Does anyone honestly think Dogecoin will hit? I believe that will be input as well. I would also like to have as well. It can hit $1 based on the market cap of Bitcoin, hitting basically like 100,000, not 100,000, hitting, yeah, basically hitting 1 million is what some people say, which basically means if we go off like the percentages and the movement, that it should hit roughly 1. But obviously that's a few years away. Like I'm not saying it's gonna hit like $1 in like a week. And I think that's something a lot of people they see Lambos when they think of it, and it's like, if it hits that, that's like great. But realistically, like Bitcoin's market cap has to be a lot higher for Dogecoin to hit that like that high, or like mass adoption needs to happen with like more ATMs coming out, because 1,800 of BitPlay's ATMs recently came out too. Yeah, I just timed out. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, I lost. Right, boys, that's not very good. That's not good at all, is it? I just want to look at the chart quickly. 1 second. Movement wise. So up, crash. Okay, let me zoom out, because I think I agree, but I also disagree a little bit from looking at the charts. So let's look at Bitcoin's chart here. You can see this is like the really big, like obviously the massive like crypto pump stage, and then Dogecoin didn't really get that. They had it, as we look at time too, 2014. See, Bitcoin got theirs in 2013. And then, you know, obviously if we go down, like here, 2014. Yeah, I'd say their charts are completely different. Movements, they moved at more alt season. Because even here, 2017. Okay, there's the main movement. So the second pump it was. The second pump of crypto it was. And then now Dogecoin has been outperforming. What's it called? Bitcoin's been outperforming Dogecoin this year by really like quite a lot. Like 580% returns, while Doge has like crushed it with 2000. So I think the beginning wasn't, and then the midterm, like the second pump of history was. But now Dogecoin's crushing it. But I think Bitcoin is going to have a more steady increase, while Dogecoin's going to have more of like a parabolic effect. It's going to be like down, and then it's going to shoot up like it always does. Now let's play some chess. Everyone loves playing chess. Also, do you think this is a good idea for me to play chess while I'm also look at the trade view compared to all the same page in the line? Look on trade view. No, I'm talking about the past year, not all the time. Okay, the past year, yeah. 100. Okay. I'd give you 100% credit then. The past year, it's been really similar, the movement, which is really rare for an altcoin. Okay, I'd agree for the last year. Also, does anyone know if I have to set up like the emoji things, like the little like people can have? I don't even know what it's called on YouTube. I know what it's called on Twitch, like the super chat people. Oh my god! Also, we did a Knight's Defense or whatever it's called. The wrong side, looking at the chat. Yeah, does anyone know that? Also, do you guys think I should live stream more, or do you think I should just like do it every now and again, or do you think I suck? If you think I suck, you can say that. I don't mind. I'll probably do it when all the other people do it. No, you should play checkers. Oh, I probably should, to be honest. Well, it's so hard because I've got to look at the chat and then also like play, which isn't great. If you're long term, just buy and never sell. You won't grow the right 3 or 4 years reaching realistic sell goal. Yeah, see, that's what I kind of agree with. Like, it's a long term. Like, everyone who made like a lot of money on Doge, it wasn't like they bought, like most people didn't buy in at the perfect time. So that's something else to consider. I should probably play checkers too, to be honest, Kevin. It's not going well for me at all. Do you guys want me to play checkers next live stream, or should I live stream again? Let me know, because I don't know if I'm even doing a good job. I feel like I'm doing a good job, but I don't know. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I am. And also, I wouldn't stream when other people are for real. Chess is better, though. Teaches strategy, just like checkers. The reason for why I'm saying that is because it makes your point of when Bitcoin goes up, down, or goes up. Okay, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That's been this year. I'm just talking about like in history in general, with the whole crypto market. Like we're talking about patterns, because patterns is like a really main thing with crypto. Which is cool, I guess. It's a bit different to stocks. Checkers, you want me to play checkers? Also, how often do you guys think I should stream? Do you think like I should stream once a week or something? Or should I stream more? Because I don't know. I don't even know if this is good. I just thought this would be fun, to be honest with you. But just like let me know, because it's, and also, do you think like the whole idea of like having a game or something is like more interactive than me just being like, oh, you know, here's an iPad. Okay, I keep memeing on Final Stand too much. He's actually got a good channel. I'm just like joking around. Yeah. Next thing you know, branded 10x is against Final Stand. Dun dun dun. I should actually just clickbait that, and like everyone should just tag me. Probably get more views, get more subs. It's the way to go, I guess, these days. Once a week. Yeah, I'm thinking once a week. I could do it once a week. How long? How long do you think I should do? How long do you think I should go for? Maybe I should do it like... Maybe I should just become a full-time chess channel. What do you guys think about that one? I just talk about chess strategy at like this really low rating and how like I lose and then like analyze it. Like, I don't know if anyone watches UFC, but like I can do like the whole Tony Ferguson thing of like where like oh, what's his name, had his arm like overextended, and then Tony did the video of like, if he did this technique it would have broke his arm. I think you should stream more, have a chat up and just answer questions, etc. Yeah, but history is now history. Before the past, when crypto was not in the mainstream. See, I think crypto is still not in the mainstream. I still don't think so. Like, if you went to like the random person like on the, well, you can't obviously because of the pandemic. So I meant not for now. Oh, okay, yeah, it's not in the, okay, yeah, I don't think it's in the mainstream. That's true. Stream every day. See, everyone's having opposite opinions. I don't know what to do. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. Like, I'm not even like, I'm like, it's like I've literally got the chat here and here, and then like I just lose the chess, and people find it entertaining, I guess. Maybe I should become the biggest, like, worst chess channel. That could be fun. I could be like, oh my god, I'm a chess player. And then other people would be like, wait, you're not. You suck. And I'll be like, oh no. Like, this guy's just taking my queen, and I'm in check, and I've forgotten why, because I keep watching. Crypto is definitely not mainstream. Yeah, it's not mainstream. Like, I think though that people, I think, the one thing I would say about this is a really good move there. Actually, this is a really good move. I'm gonna lose, but this move is really, really good. The one thing I would say about crypto and stocks and everything, like, if you have the money, you should diversify like your portfolio as much as you can. Like, you should have some stocks, some crypto, like, try and diversify as much as you can, like stocks, crypto, even like real estate if you can afford that. That's what I would do. Like, you've got to be spread out. Like, people who are just into crypto and things, if that market crashes, like, you just get like destroyed. As it's good to kind of be like a bit diverse, like 33.3% on all, or like just have your preference one, like maybe have that one as 50, because if that market crashes, like, at least you're not like permanently punished for the year. Oh yeah, I'm crushing them. Nice. Yeah, I'm crushing these people. I love it, boys. I think I'm actually going to win because he's about to time out. He's got 5 seconds. So everyone's memeing on me, but actually, the fact is, I'm about to win the game. Oh, no. We have to go up. Oh, look, we won. He timed out. Oh, come on. Come on, crypto is in the news every day, like years ago. Yeah, maybe use YouTube Analytics as a recap for the first month. You can decide to stream unless you already use it. I could be preaching. Well, I've never done a stream. The documentary has a bunch of folks who would love to support you, and I don't think there are enough streamers, especially when the majority of movement happened with like the last 2 nights. Yeah, I agree with that too. What do you guys think about having the game though in the corner, or do you think I like just talking is better than having the game? I just feel like it'd be awkward if I'm just here like, hey guys, it's Brandon TFT, have some chewing gum. Maybe I should just do some challenges. Maybe I can do like push-ups and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I should just like dance. Maybe I can become a rapper. I don't even know. There's actually there is actually like a song mode on this thing. I can like rap Eminem or something. New game, boys. What do you think? Even Fox is talking about Dogecoin. Yeah, I think Dogecoin, I would argue that Dogecoin is the most mainstream cryptocurrency, actually, over Bitcoin, because you have a lot more celebrities talking about it on Twitter and it's trending a lot. So I could, like, you could probably argue that Dogecoin is more mainstream, or like at least more heard of, I think, than Bitcoin. Like, people probably don't like. Okay, this guy just new game. I am 23, my friend. Yeah, I recently finished uni with a first class in marketing, so that's fun. And I worked for like loads of different marketing companies. Well, not marketing companies. I worked for like a lot of them, like small startups in Canada and things, while I was doing my degree and everything. Like, I'm working freelance. I did that a lot. And then I got offered a job before the pandemic at a see, I just reading the chat does not help. I got offered a job at Skin. No, well, I shouldn't really say that. I got a job at Bob Doctors. Like, he did surgery at like basically like uplifts and like different surgery. And then because of the second lockdown, I don't actually do that anymore. So I just make content on YouTube, I guess, currently. Which is cool. Yeah, Dogecoin Twitter engagement is through the roof. Actually, gods to me to even make videos, man, takes a lot, I'm sure. Yeah, making videos, I've made loads of channels. I had one fitness YouTube channel that got like 2k views, 2k subscribers. I stopped doing that. And when I took a break, I just didn't like making content. I then had a gaming channel, but obviously in gaming, like if like there's not a lot of content you can make, as weird as that sounds, like not informative content. So I liked making the more informative content around things. I didn't really like making the entertaining like content as much. Like it wasn't with me, which is why I kind of like talking about stocks. It's like been my passion now for a few years. But I was just like didn't really want to talk about it because I felt like I was like learning more. And then as I was watching people on YouTube talk about it, I realized like a lot of them are really bad. I don't want to mention any names to disrespect them or anything, but like a lot of put it this way, a lot of stock market YouTubers, like they think they're really good and they're amazing and stuff. And their channel's only been around like the bull market, and then if they show you their stocks, they haven't bought any stocks since then. So yeah, you can think of what you think of that, but some like I would say 90% of stock YouTube channels don't actually know what they're talking about, in my opinion anyway. Obviously you guys can have your favorites and things, but a lot of them aren't very good. Like they're just like it's like they've done well in a bull market and now they think they're great. Like they don't know how to play the bearish market. Like a lot of them won't even they disagree with having like mining minerals and stuff when the market's being really bearish, and like mining minerals or companies coming up in production in mining are safe in a bear market. And once the bear market's over, they're in production, so they'll crush it in the bull market. But yeah, it's just, I don't know. That's just my opinion anyway. It's why, if people haven't noticed, like when I make like a stock video, I don't like to do them as much. Or with Dogecoin, as if you have to be patient, which is one problem because I don't have patience. Yeah, that's the issue. What does everyone else do in my chat though? I kind of told you guys like what I've done. So tell me what you guys do. Bitcoin, Dogecoin. Hey, I don't know. I also feel like I'm kind of like more of a nerdy person, so I like more the analytics, especially some of the other people on YouTube, like they won't even like tell you catalysts. I like all your videos, it's fun to watch. Much wow, much love. That's what we say. Much wow, much love. Much wow, much love. Maybe I should go mainstream rapper. I don't know. I feel like this has been a really fun live stream. I might do this once a week. Also, we're getting destroyed in this chess match. This person's from Canada and they're crushing me. Yeah, just like all I'm gonna say is be really careful on who you follow on YouTube, and I wouldn't trust people who have like. It sounds really counterproductive, but like you shouldn't trust people who have like over like 100,000 subs, in my opinion, because the stock just gets pumped. Like there's some people, like even some crypto people, like who've got like 400k subs, and they'll say they're buying that crypto, and then the stock, like, oh well, the crypto, it just gets pumped like 40-50%, which is crazy. And they never talk about, like, a lot of these people never talk about selling strategy either. So it's like you don't know what they're doing behind the scenes. So like you got to be careful. Like I honestly think like if my channel ever got like over like 100k or something, like I would just probably do more informative, like what does this crypto do or something. Otherwise it'll just get pumped a lot, which isn't fair, because then it gets dumped. Oh, that's so cool. You should accept Dogecoin. That's what I think with the kitchen cabinets. And then everyone here will buy the kitchen cabinets off you, and you'll have more Dogecoin. Oh god. And then you'll have more Dogecoin too, which is cool. What do you think about that? Kevin, what do you think about that one? New business opportunity? That's what I think. What do I know? Oh, we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. Oh yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Boys, we lost. Oh, we lost. It's not good. I don't know if I should take questions. Like, if the chat was like more busy, I'd be down to like take questions and everything. But because the chat's like not that busy, I think I can play chess and talk. Like if my chat in the future has more people, I think I can definitely oh guys, we're against someone who's Indian. This isn't good. I'm mixed race Indian, and he's like full Indian. Like, this is just the genetics. He's just gonna crush me, boys. Oh, I'm located in England. Yeah, a lot of people don't think I have that accent for some reason. All my friends have no idea what blockchain or anything like that, but they all know I accept 10% of all cryptos. That's, yeah. I think the problem... I would accept Doge. Oh, I would. That's an interesting one. Kevin, where are you based? If you don't mind me saying, or where's your like company based? Because I will 100% down get a kitchen cabinet from you using Dogecoin once it hits $1, 100%. 100%. Also, you guys should be thanking my girlfriend. She was the one who told me I should stream my chess, me playing chess, because I was like, oh, I'm going to play chess for a few hours. And she's like, oh, why don't you stream it? Because you're famous now. And I was like, yeah, I am famous. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. Yeah, what do you guys think, though, about the whole thing about, like, a lot of, like, the YouTubers saying they're buying this crypto? Like, I feel like it's okay if you have, like, under 50k, but I think once you get, like, past that point, you're just becoming a pump and dump. Especially, like, even I right now get... Oh, wait, okay. Even I right now are getting sponsorships to talk about stocks. And they're, like, offering, like they offer 10% of my channel size. They're offering, like, $700 right now for me to talk about stock. And I get, like, 5 or 6 messages a day. I don't know if I can legally show them or, like, even talk about what they are, but they'll offer, like, $700 for me to talk about it. And it's, like, a lot of these other, like, YouTubers are accepting these things, which is crazy, when they're meant to be like, oh, I'm really good on the stock market, so I don't know. I think it will be at 0.07 in about 2 weeks. That's good. Me personally, I think if Dogecoin hits 10 cents at the end of this year, that's good. I think if Dogecoin can hit 10 by the end of this year, that's really, really good, in my opinion. I'm in Florida. Hey, Florida. I think majority of my audience actually is American. It's going down very fast. Yeah, that's the thing with cryptos. Like, they kind of just go up and down really quick. And the other thing that I don't like about the crypto is also the fact of yeah, we'll go that there. Is there's no market close days, so like it can go up and down every day. But I also like that because it's not re-regulated, like decentralized and everything. It's good. There's oh, what's it called? Okay, we'll check him, huh? There's a thing too, I think. What's it called now? There's a massive thing going on, actually, that we got to talk about. I think if anyone's, like, seriously in the chat, like, you really want to get into crypto, I think Cardano is a really good safe bet. I think Cardano, like, if I was gonna, like, my portfolio, if I'm being honest, like, in terms of percentages, is I think 30% is Ethereum, like, in terms of, like, actually value. 30% Ethereum, 30% is Cardano, and then 40% is Dogecoin in terms of value, like, how much money's in there. But originally Dogecoin wasn't my number one. I think it was, like, originally I think Doge was 20% of portfolio in terms of crypto. But I think especially having, like, Ethereum and Cardano, you definitely need to have both of those in your portfolio. Like, people who are, like, one side or the other, it's like one of them will take over, in my opinion. And it's just trying to work out, like, which one's going to be the Facebook and which one's going to be Snapchat. That's what you're really battling with right now. It's like which one, or well, which one's going to be MySpace, which one's going to be Facebook. Like, they can both exist, but one will dominate the market. What do you think if Doge would hit $10 this week, sell or hold? If Doge hit $10, you'd have to sell, because there's not enough money in the economy, really, for that to happen. Really, like, just being, like, realistic. That, like, that just can't happen. Because that would mean what? Let's have a look quickly. Total supply. So we're talking 100. So we're talking a trillion, which means its market cap would be over that means its market cap would actually be higher than Bitcoin's. Which, yeah, I can't say that would be realistic. Also, wait a sec, wait. I need to crush this kid because we've got a 15-second timer, which is not good. Give me my queen now, please. 1 second. Oh, let's go here. We've got 10 seconds to win this. It's crazy. Oh, shit. We'll just take it. We'll take it. This is really bad. Because now he has to move this. We've got a second, though. Yeah, we're going to lose. Ah, who set the timer? Oh, the game sets the timer to 3 minutes. What do you think, Dodge? What's your price prediction for March? I don't like giving price predictions, to be honest, when it comes to crypto, because there's no real catalysts apart from what the community makes it, like with Elon and Mark Cuban, like adopting it. Like, there's no like time frame. It's not like a business. So I can't really give a prediction. I think 10 cents at the end of the year, though, in my opinion, if you want like a time frame, just to make sure that you don't put any money that you can't afford to lose in crypto. Just have fun. Yeah, I agree, Kevin. And be spread out. Be spread out. Like, keep different plays. I feel like that's something that not many people do. And it's something that, like, my girlfriend likes about me, actually, I think. I hope. She's in the chat. She can tell me. She likes this. Like, I think she likes the fact that, like, I'm really forward-thinking. And, like, I think about, like, the future. Like, sometimes I don't think she likes it, but I think overall she likes the fact. Because most people, like, my age don't think. Like, they think about these type of things when they're, like, 40. Which is just like ridiculous. Check out some. Yeah. Hamer recently tweeted. I saw because I think it was you have to reach so many retweets, wasn't it? I believe. We can check her, and then we can castle. I don't mind this. This is fine. He should move this here though, and that puts me in a really bad positioning. And then we can. Oh no, that's fine. That's a really dumb trade. Because now what we'll do is castle. But yeah, that's really interesting and stuff. I don't know what my girlfriend thinks of me though. So, I don't know. Interesting. She didn't reply to the chat. Maybe she hates me. That'd suck, wouldn't it? And I think, yeah. I just think, like, not many people think about being diversified. Not many people think about investing. Like, even if you think about investing, most people don't even think about that. Like, I don't know, like, everyone's age. Maybe, Kevin, you're a bit slightly older than me and everything like that. But most people don't even, like, think about that type of stuff until, like, they're really old. And it's just not smart to be like that. You've got to think, like, what's going to happen 5-10 years? And then other people argue, like, oh, you got to think in the moment. But you know, you can think in the moment, but then you've also got to realize statistically, like, you're going to make it to 60. It's not like you're going to, like, randomly, like, you know, peace out, Girl Scout. Like, like, the age barrier is getting older and older. So you should think about that with, like, crypto and things. Like, I think the average person, you know, obviously not being here anymore, it's getting higher and higher. So you've got to think more longer term than short term of people years ago. I think I missed the whole convo, my bad. Do you think it's like a good that I'm like really forward thinking and I think of like the future and stuff, like in terms of like investing and just like learning loads of different stuff about the future and things like that? Or do you think that's bad? Because I feel like most people our age don't have any clue about the things that I know of. Like, I think they're just like they're like puppies. Or like, I like to call those people like sheeps. Like, same with crypto. Like, they're like, oh, what's crypto? And they're like, oh, they don't know. They think it's like conspiracy and there's like loads of millionaires made of it. It's like, okay, I hope you do. I think that's actually something that the Dogecoin community, that's something I really want to do, actually, with the channel, is once, once it grows to like, I think if the channel grows to like maybe like 15k, I want to start talking about other cryptos, because those videos don't do well, but then you get like 10% of your audience, like I do anyway, like retention wise. Even if the video is like not do like that bad, like I want to talk about cryptos that have a really like, not even just like, not like they have a good chance, but their functionality is really strong, and just based on their functionality it can do really well. Like I want to talk about things like that. I think, do you really think it can go to $1? I think Dogecoin can hit $1, yeah, once Bitcoin hits 1 million. So think of that what you will. So I think once Bitcoin obviously like hits, like if it hits like 100k, Dogecoin will be 0.2. Even if like nothing else is announced and Elon abandons it. Yeah, start like they can yeah. Yeah, I do that. Nice, is good. Yes, what is this comment? Well, it's obviously a smart move. People our age don't really know where to start with it. Well, there's this magical thing called Google that I feel like people don't know how to use. Like you can type in things and you learn, but I think it's teaching people like, oh, I made such a bad move. I guess it's teaching people how to use Google. Is the thing. But yeah, rough ice is really good. But it's like, with my girlfriend, she said like obviously like it'll be her own separate accounts, but like I'll do like investments that are similar to mine and explain it. Like I was talking about Starbucks the other day actually, wasn't I, Jess? You can type this in the chat. Put some Starbucks emojis. How do I do this? I don't even know what I'm doing, boys. Let's put the fruit emoji. Boom. Yeah, boys, fruit emoji. Okay, how do I get rid of this now? Okay, white one. That's not good. Yeah, I don't know. How high? I think max 2. And that's with like Bitcoin hitting 1 mil. So keep that in consideration. And then the hype staying. So it's like a lot of things would have to happen for it to hit 2. Yeah, we got some Starbucks in the chat, boys. But yeah, we were talking about Starbucks the other day, actually. I was trying to explain investing, and I was like, do you like Starbucks? Do you think Starbucks earnings are good? Well, yes, if you think it's going to do well, like, invest in it. You know, like, even thinking, like, just simply like that. Like, not all the time, obviously, like, if she said, like, a really bad company, like, if she was like, oh, I like going to the cinema, and she, like, put Cineworld on, I'd be like, okay, that's probably not the best. Or she's like, I like GameStop. Well, maybe that'd do well because it's a meme stock. But, like, obviously look at the financials, too, and look at where the potential is and things like that. Like, Starbucks are building more. They charge you a lot of money for coffee. Like, it's probably going to do well over time. It's not going to break down. It's a really good safe investment, and I think you should have some, like, I would argue that Doge is like probably like a growth stock, I think, anyway. It's like a really good like growth company. That's how I'd look at Doge. Like, and I think like it's why, like, before, like, Doge is obviously 40% of my portfolio now, but before it was only like 20%. And then it was 40 Cardano and 40 Ethereum. But, you know, you've got to have, like, your safe plays, which should be majority of your portfolio, in my opinion. And then have, like, 2, like, 10% growth plays. And play with it. Because you should have some safe things that will cover the loss of, like, of your growth stocks. Then if it doesn't work out, it's kind of okay and didn't really matter that it lost. And then over a sudden it's going to do my sense to it. And he got me into stocks. Yeah, stocks are really good. Stocks, crypto, and everything. I feel like with your son, he might like be might be like me then. Like, he might just like learning. Like he's probably like a learning machine. Like, he just finds like he needs to learn everything. It's why I like stocks and crypto, because there's so much to learn. Like, you can be a specialist in one area, and then like another area you're like a complete beginner and you have no idea what's going on. I think Elon will give boost to Doge too. I think it just depends how your brain is built, maybe. Like, I feel like I'm someone he gets like quite curious about things, and if I don't know something, I like to know why that is. Like you need to give me a lot of reasons. Like I give the example of my girlfriend, but like she'll try to explain something to me, but like if there's no like kind of logic behind it, I'm like, I need like, you need to like give me some proof of what's going on, because otherwise my brain is like there's like a I don't like, I love you and everything like that, but like it's not going to go through my head unless it's like you've properly like made sense to me, which sucks for a lot of people. That's why I struggle. Like when I make like that's why I don't have like a lot of friends, but my friends who I am friends with really like me. Is a way to explain it. Like I have really close friends, but I don't have like a lot of them. Honestly, this guy never stops researching. Yeah, never stop researching. I'm a nerd. No, that's my girlfriend right here. How do I? What do I? Can I ban you? Add to moderator or remove? Okay, nah. Haha. Oh yes, Tesla and Neo for longer, and you can't go wrong. Yeah, that's a great example. Like Tesla and Neo, good stocks. Yo, Mike, what's up, my guy? What's going on? I'm currently losing at chess while talking about Doge and stocks. See, he's gonna want to move there. This queen, oh, it's so annoying. So annoying. Oh, I misplayed. Not good, not good. We'll just check him. He doesn't have that much time. I think we'll have to castle. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. It's just a distraction play, because he's only got 12 seconds left, so we'll win. Nothing's going on, Mike. I'm just chilling. How long have I been streaming for? Because this, like, I feel like I've been streaming forever. I feel like I'm talking way too much also. But I don't know. Oh, I won. I'm a beast. I'm a beast. I'm a god. How many people have you got viewing? 26 people. That's amazing. 1,800 views. The total number of... Okay, that doesn't seem... I don't know if that's good or not. I'm going to read my statistics. Playbacks. What does a playback mean? The total number of times the video has loaded, including page refreshing and change of camera angle. The number does not increase whenever the viewer switches. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, he's very smart. Yeah, I can imagine so. I've only been streaming an hour and 15 minutes. What's going on? It feels forever. Alright, I'm going to play 2 more chess games, then I'm done, boys. I'm peacing out, Girl Scouting. Oh. You need to stop clickbaiting. Nick, my guy. I feel like I'm actually really good at clickbaiting. Like, I feel like I've actually become like a genius at it. What do you think? Or does it annoy you? The problem is, you're only going to harm for the community. I'm only doing... How? Okay. My argument for that is, like, I might clickbait. Okay. I don't care about Doge. Okay, dude. Okay. Clearly, I don't care. Like, you say that, but I think, like, realistically, like, I give the most content on YouTube on it. Like, actual news updates, not just Elon tweeted. Yeah, I care about... Oh, Nick, you got me. Oh, Nick. Oh, if I had a sub thing, I'd give it to you. Yeah, I care about being a chess player. You... Oh, my guy, Nick. Oh, you got me. I've been trolled, boys. I've been trolled. See, I can't... Oh, Nick, you got me. Yeah, I only care about being a professional chess player. My girlfriend's memeing me. Nick thinks I'm a professional gamer. How do they know? What do you mean it's not legit? Come on, Nick, man. Why are you hating on me for? I was the first person to talk about BitPay on it. Like, no other YouTubers even talked about that for some reason. I was the first people to talk about the 1,800 ATMs. I pretty much one of the only people who talk about the new companies adding it. So I disagree with you. You don't have to watch my content anyway. It's up to you, man. It's all good. It's all love. I just want it to hit 10 cents, and we're all good. So it's all good, bro. If like Nick, I will challenge you. We should have a chess game. We should have a chess game, Nick. No, just. We don't need to kick Nick. Nick's cool. I like a bit of Trong. Well, okay. Wrong. Matt is so slow with updates. Like, you say this, but his videos, like, I like his content, don't get me wrong. Like, I'm not saying anything bad about his content, but he's not the most up-to-date channel. Like, he doesn't talk about that much. He's, like, quite actually slow on things, I think. Go ahead, just stop clickbait. I do clickbait. I'll put my hands up right now. I clickbait. I clickbait really hard. Bitcoin or Doge? Depends what you want. Though Bitcoin, I think, is more consistently to go up than Doge. Like, Dogecoin could crash really over anything, and that's like the gamble you're taking. That's why I said I wouldn't put more than 20% in your portfolio in Doge, personally. That's what I think anyway. Oh, he's baiting me here. This isn't good. Wow, he's got me in a really good position. We're gonna have to go here. Yeah, Nick, it's all good, man. Like, oh, he's doing such a good play here. I have to move this too. Oh, he done me over. No, Nick, I'll put up my hands up to clickbaiting, but you've got to realize, like, I'm still a really small channel and everything like that. So, like, you know, I do want to grow. So, like, clickbaiting is, like, sadly just part of the game. So if I have to do it, I have to do it. You know? Like, I'm not trying to do it to annoy anyone. Like, if anyone comments and they're like, I clickbaited, I'll always just put, like, laughing faces and stuff, because, like, I know, like, you know what I mean? But I do always try to give you, like, useful information too. Like, I'm not just going to give you, like, information that's, like, completely false. That's just my thoughts. And obviously people don't have to watch my content. It's, like, free choice, you know? Yo, you're back, dude. What's up? I'm actually playing one more chess game and I'm going out. Most YouTubers clickbait, yeah. It's just part of the game. And the thing is, like, because I'm such a small channel, like, I kind of I have to play the game. That's the thing. Anyway, you're still watching him. Yeah, Kevin, you don't need to defend me. Like, it's all good. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. Oh, I lost. All right, boys, we're playing one more game. Ah, thanks, Kevin, though. Like, you know. It's all good. Like, I would rather, like, try and, like, I know a lot of people just ban people, but what's the point in that? I guess as long as it's informative, it's fine. Yeah, that's my thing too. Like, as long as I'm not, like, basically telling you nothing that's new, that's what I think clickbaiting really means. Like, if I exaggerate the truth or bend the truth a little bit, I think it's okay. I've always, like, said, like, I get annoyed of some YouTubers clickbaiting, but I just think, obviously, oh, this guy checked me. We can block him here. That's fine. Oh yeah, dude. That went really well recently, right? It's got how many is it I believe 3,000, don't they? 3,000 in circulation. Yeah, I wanted to buy some actually, but when I tried to, it said there was none available. So yeah, that's not good for me. Yeah, like, I'd rather make friends with the people like Nick here, for example. Nick, like a lot of people, like, probably like Matt, if you came and, like, started trolling, if people just kick you, like, I'd just, like, rather, like, just actually, like, discuss it, like, as long as, like hear how you just talked, I feel like it's fairly decent. You didn't like insult me personally. You didn't insult someone from the chat personally. You're just like giving your thoughts. I think that's completely fine. Hey, dude. Let's get them. I hit you. Yeah. How did you get your BNB though? Did you get it on balance? I'm really curious. Yeah. How did you get it? I'm doing that now, and I bought big as well. Yeah, how did you get into that? Because the coins are really hard to get, and they're not making any more. And I'm getting obliterated from this player. We're gonna resign. We're gonna resign this because I made 2 new misplays. We'll play one more. Yeah, what thingy did you buy it off? I'm really curious. I don't think Coinbase has it, does it? So when I tried to get it on balance, they were gone. Like day 1, just gone. I think that's a really good holding, to be honest with you. If anyone can get into BNB, it's good if you can. It's ridiculously hard to get into though. Like really tough to get into. Yeah, 100% Kevin. But I'd rather be open about it. If that makes, like, hopefully that makes sense. I'd rather just be like, you guys, Brand 10x, and today I'm gonna make everyone happy. Nah, like, I'd rather just, it's hard to explain, like, I'd rather just try and sort things out and, like, try and understand everyone's perspective. I feel like that's something that a lot of people can't do for some reason. Like you've always got to consider, like, their part of it and, like, why they think that to begin with. So it's like, Nick, I'm sorry for using you as an example, but well, about over a year ago, my uncle talked to my mum into balance. I bought 10 cases. Oh, you got it in 10 days ago. Yeah, I wanted to get in like I think it was three days ago or something. Oh, dude, nice, Bradley. Do you know the one that I missed out on recently? Everyone, I missed on Chain Game. And ENJ, I missed out on that. That was a beauty. It went up like 100% in one day. And I was literally talking about my friend with it like the day before. I was like, oh, I'm gonna either buy more ADA or I'm gonna buy what's it called? I was gonna buy more ADA or I'm gonna get ENG. And then I didn't buy any, like, of either. Just because I thought like obviously the price and everything was gonna go down because I realized our ADA is a bit overpriced right now. And then yeah, ENJ just took off. Yeah, happens. That's why I think sometimes it's like it might go up like 50-40%, but then you've got to think like in the long term, is it going to go up more? Oh, I just misplayed. That's what you've got to think about, I think, anyway. I don't know. Okay, guys, we're gonna lose this game of chess. Well, how many streams do you think I should do a week? 1 a week, 2 a week, 3 a week? How many do you guys think I should do of those streams? Do you think it's like worth me? I don't even know if it's like I feel like I just did this more for fun, to be honest. It's been really fun doing this. I think I'm gonna keep the chess vibe though. We're gonna become a top-rated player of chess. Is what we're gonna do. We're gonna become rank 1. Rank 1 chess god. That's the plan. Chess is a very good game. But I don't know. Maybe I should just become the #1. No, we're just getting eliminated. Everyone here needs to make the smart move before everyone would Trump bill. So a couple of days ago from President Biden. Yeah. It's making smart plays. I agree with that. It's actually good to have people disagree as long as they're not rude about it. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's all good. As long as like he's not like, you know, being like personally offensive to me, like it doesn't really bother me. Unless he's like, oh my god, as many as you enjoy, however, you'll be able to do a big Doge move. Yeah. See, the problem is I like making content, and I don't know, like, because I'm going to be honest with everyone, like, I'm obviously trying to grow the channel, and I don't know, like, thing is, if I streamed once a day, obviously, like, this like sadly does take energy to do. Like it doesn't sound like a lot, but obviously like I'm just sitting here and everything, and I'm like, oh my god, all I'm doing is just like 40% of 18 said they'll almost half of the new students into crypto. Yeah. Oh damn. Okay, that's cool. What can you send me the link to that, please? No, if you can. I'm just gonna copy and paste that though. That's really interesting to hear. But yeah, I think we've been destroyed. Like, obviously, like I'm gonna see which grows the channel more, because like I feel like this is really fun and interactive, and I don't mind doing it. Like say if I hit a milestone of like 10k, 11k, and stuff. But I've also got to think of like the channel in the long term, because if the channel's like, say if this, for example, I could have made a video or 2 videos instead of doing this like 2-hour stream. Obviously, the 2-hour stream doesn't make as much sense to do. But obviously, if it does, then it makes, yeah, I hope that makes sense. Yeah, let's find out in my search history. Yeah, I'll stay on, because I can make a video on that. It's really good. That's another thing too, though. I can get ideas from people. My next tax return on saving into stocks and not crypto. Yeah, you've got to, I think you've got to diversify. That's just my opinion. Diversifying is the smart thing to do. Like people say like just diversifying into stocks is good. Like no, it's not. Like being a diverse stock person is like, okay, it's like a smart thing. Like I'm not taking anything like away from people who've made millions from stocks, but and just stocks alone. But when when stocks go red, you just get punished. Like a whole portfolio gets ruined, as if you have like a bit of everything, like crypto, real estate, and everything. That's like my plan in the long run, is just have like a bit of everything. Like there's going to be like one of your portfolios should be doing well, unless like there's like like a, you know, like a massive like well even like now everything seems to be okay apart from the market crashed a little bit. But yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I don't know. I will see. I don't know like if again I'm not even that I feel like yeah, oil's good too. Oil should make a comeback, I think, hopefully. You gotta buy though, you gotta be diverse. It's like I really like mining right now, to be honest. Like I think mining, like lithium plays, are really good, because the whole world's going into the EV industry with like Tesla, iPhone. I think like even laptops, they're getting like bigger charges and stuff because the lithium purity is getting higher. So I think lithium in the long term is really good. At least I think so anyway. Unless they can get cobalt to work. Yeah, unless they can get cobalt to work. If they can get cobalt to work, I believe it's like then lithium won't be used as much. But the problem with cobalt is obviously it blows up. Oh, it's okay, dude. Don't worry about it. I'll Google it though. If I can find that information though, I'll definitely make a video on that. That's really good. Let's click as checkers. Yes, I will play checkers next time too. But what's it called? It's hard because like I've got to like watch the left hand side of my screen and the right, and it's like a 3-minute lightning match. So I'm like all over the place. It's not good. But I feel like it must be more entertaining for you guys to see like actual movement on the screen and not just like it's on CBN. Okay, cool. I'll just copy and paste that. Okay. I'm not too fussed about the chess match. Yeah, he'll take this. We're winning on time somehow, and I've been playing really slow. So I don't know how that's happened. But yeah, diversity is very key. I think anything is key though. Real estate being my next favorite. Still have a small crypto before I'm waiting. I agree with the checkers. You know what? I actually can't play checkers. So yeah. I agree with checkers. Just because you don't actually understand what's going on with chess, you're probably confused. I'm looking for crypto to hit bottom before I... Yeah. The thing is that as well with crypto is they do go through phases. So right now it's getting pushed up, and then it can go down really badly. So you kind of have to be a bit like smarter, I guess, how you play crypto, because it can go from a bull to a bear market rapidly, and a bear market in crypto is like a proper bear market. Like everything will just like be destroyed in a day, and you'll know about it. And then he's gonna play this. Yeah, real estate's really good. That's the thing too. Like I'm trying to. The problem is with real estate though is like it's quite a lot, like it's not like a large amount of money to get in actually. It's only a little bit. I'm just trying to think how to explain it. To me, like I hate like managing and talking to people. Ever really like this? I like the channel. That'll help him out. Yeah, man. If you guys want to like the channel, it's all good. Maybe I'll win at chess. Who knows? In the next live stream. I'll definitely stream again though. I think I will do one stream a week. Or maybe when I hit 10k, I'll probably do like a milestone or something. Like from 1k to 10k. I think I have to do something like that eventually. But I think streaming is good for the channel. I don't know. I don't know if streaming is good for the channel or not. I don't know. A bear market, you should have already locked into your profit and grab as much as you can for the next bull market. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Me, yeah, 100%. Yeah. From the Netherlands. Oh man, I'm about to stop streaming. I'm sorry, I'm about to get checkmate as well. He's about to just execute me. It's ain't good. Hey dude, hope you're doing good. Yeah. Hopefully you guys did enjoy like me getting destroyed at chess while talking to you, although it was really fun. But yeah, I don't really know how you end a live stream. I guess it's like peace out, Girl Scout. See you guys in the next one. It's all Gucci and all that. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and much love. Bye bye. Adios amigos. Peace, love. Bye. Bye. Bye.